Y'all got any beans? Well met once again, travelers. I'm at Islands. It's the day after Epic, and everything reminds me of her. But we're gonna do our best to have an amazing time today, and no plan, just riding stuff, because I know for most of the day I'm just gonna be thinking about Epic Universe. I'm already craving it. I'm itching for it. I need more. I've already bought 2 shirts. God. And this month's past benefits acquired. Stardust Racer button, Amity Island magnet. Let's go. Wank. Wank. Listen to me. Oh, I guess the parade is happening over here. I don't even know which parade this is. Oh, it's the movie parade, that's right. It feels like it might be a good time to try and get on something. All right, I'm gonna finally make the leap and get on Jimmy Fallon. We're just gonna do it finally. I put it off for too long. Oh, as if I didn't get enough stairs yesterday.
It's risky business if you're prone to dizziness or any type of motion sickness. No videos, photos, recording, no one social is allowed. I hope I'm speaking loud and clear enough. You getting this? You definitely should.
I mean, it's a cute, creative simulator ride. I think I might have come at it a little too hard before riding it. But, I mean, I wouldn't be mad if it left. It's fine. Kids seem to enjoy it. People were having fun with their families. I was just there. But, you know, there are definitely worse rides here than Jimmy Fallon, shockingly. I guess not. Speaking of which, actually, first I just need something good. We stand the mummy, and we always will. Another thing that I've managed to never force myself to do. Let's just do it. Oh, it's like walking through like a literal area I'm not supposed to be in. Kind of fits the theme of this ride, I guess. Wow, what incredible theming.
And as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
We're going to keep you safe from shopping. Safety of your health. Turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone can give us away. And remember, got travel, doing it together.
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
absolute dumpster fire of a ride. I don't even want to talk about it. That sucks. I just realized a second ago that I've had my audio settings wrong this entire one. So if I sounded terrible before this. Whoops. I mean, we've got to, right? Well, I guess it's almost dragon time. Y'all got any beans? Paris at Epic is definitely way bigger, but this one feels more magical. I'm really overusing this angle lately, I feel like. Deal with it. I really wasn't lying earlier when I said that Epic Universe yesterday took so much wind out of my sails for these two today. I'm sure the love will reignite because I do love this place, but Epic is just so next level that it feels hollow here. I don't know why. Like I said, I'm sure it'll get better, but it's not yet. It's not. You should be at Epic Universe right now instead, but you're here, feeling kind of empty inside. I don't know, y'all. My heart is taking me to the exit. I want to be at Epic. I sound like a whiny little child. I'm sorry, but yeah, I want to be at Epic, y'all. Oh my gosh. Now that is the worst ride in this park. It's not even a ride. It's a walking... Ugh. Oh, by the way, guys, I finally watched Wicked, and I'm a fan now. It got me. I'm really into it. I can't wait for the second one. I surrender. It's great. Wait, she's not spinning. Hold on, that actually stopped me in my tracks. I don't think I've ever seen her not spinning. That's new. I wonder what that's about. Oh, it's some kind of professional shoot. Now I get it. They needed to stay in place. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think I'm out for now. We might do something else in this video. I haven't fully decided yet. But if we don't, then, you know, all the stuff I usually say. My energy. Like, share, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on whatever you have people on. Especially Instagram, though. I actually am fairly active there. I'd really appreciate it if you did that. Share with your ex, share with your grandma. Be real annoying about it. And until we meet again, travelers, Godspeed. Guys, look, it's Villain Con Minion Blast. Do you get it? Because, all right, bye.